In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the passcode on your iPhone 15. I have the 15 Pro Max here, but this should work on all the iPhone 15 models. So what you need to do is, of course, first of all, unlock your screen and then tap on Settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Tap on that, and then it's going to ask for your passcode. So enter your current passcode. And as soon as you enter your current passcode, it's going to open the Face ID and Passcode settings. Scroll down on that page and tap on Change Passcode. And then it's going to ask for your current passcode once again. So enter the current passcode that you're using right now. And then now, as you can see, it asks for your new passcode. So enter the new passcode you want to be using. So for instance, if I want to be using this passcode, I'll enter that. Of course, it's going to warn me that this passcode can be easily guessed, but I'm going to use it anyway for the sake of this tutorial. You might want to use a much better passcode than mine. Okay, so I'll tap on use anyway, and then enter the new passcode once again. So you have to enter the new passcode a second time before it actually changes the passcode. And it takes you back to the screen. And now that's your new passcode. So whenever you want to unlock your iPhone 15, you have to use that new passcode. And it's really as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.